Good morning, welcome to the kitchen. It is 9 a.m. Time for some home repair. So we had a slight issue with the faucet that's been ongoing. So if you don't put it down a certain way, it'll just kind of drip like that. So you have to kind of push it a certain way down. So I researched it on the YouTubes and found out that there are a couple issues and they're all tied to this. So we're going to try this morning, hopefully successfully, to replace this part for our Delta faucet. Oh, it's still dripping. It should take, hey Todd, good morning, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully I do it correctly. If not, you get to watch and laugh at me. So step one, we're going to put a stopper in the sink. Because we have to take a couple pieces out of that faucet, and then the other YouTube video said put something over the drain just in case. Let me put this on a tripod, and now we can get to work. So the other step two, let's see if you can see in here, you have to shut off the water. So that right there is one of the shut-offs, and there's one next to it. So I'll do those to shut off the water so it can work on the sink. And I'll put this in our handy-dandy stand. I don't know how everyone else is spending their New Year's Eve, but this is the true fun way. Okay, so this is kind of tricky because they're pretty far back there. And then righty-tighty. All right, that's the one. So there's a hot and cold. Okay, I got those to the best of my ability. In the past, when I tried to do it, they didn't fully shut off. So let's tilt this down so we can get to work. So you guys probably should check. So we see it didn't fully shut off, but it's kind of the best I can do. Okay, so with this faucet, there's a little cap underneath. Hard to kind of show. Let's see, this way is better. There's a little cap right here that will pop out, and then that exposes the screw on the faucet. So with a little flathead screwdriver, kind of pop that part out. And that exposes another screw, which is a Phillips. Oh, I need a little smaller one. Bigger than that. Oh yeah, maybe it was one of these. Allen wrench. Forgot. It's not a screwdriver. Morning, Mom. So the first time I did it, it was really stuck. Alright, so we have this tiny little screw. You know, let's see, it's that small. The other tip that I had from watching other videos is you set up a little kind of towel, and then you take the pieces in sequence to remember how to reassemble it. So we're trying to follow all the best practices from YouTube wisdom. All right, so now this comes off. We put that in our little towel. Then there's kind of a sheath. So put that next. And then there's another plastic part. It kind of comes off. Screws off, apparently. Okay. And then this is called a bonnet. So that we have some adjustable wrench. I tried to fix this before, so that's how I kind of know how this is assembled. Maybe let's do the other wrench. If it's big enough, and it's not. Okay. Lefty loosey. Uh-oh. Now I got a little bit of water, which kind of sucks because I gotta move fast. Not really, it's not that much water, but I'm trying to replace it quickly. Okay. So this is the part we're replacing, no good. I got this new one from the manufacturer. So I wrote them and said, hey, I think this thing doesn't work. And then they sent me a new one. So that was nice. All right, so. It's fine. Let's see how the other one does. So the other one has this thing kind of tucked underneath. Try and replicate that. Goes like this. Okay. So we put the little rubber sealy thing on, put this over the top. Ooh, warm water. Put the bonnet back. Kind of looks upside down to me, but we'll find out. So the other thing I didn't do last time when I reassembled it was I didn't tighten this with a wrench, so then it didn't really work that well. Alright, that's nice and snug. And this was the next part. So we'll find out if this is right because this seems to be the opposite direction than it was before. Okay. And our Allen wrench with the little tiny screw. Oh, righty tighty. So in researching this, Home Depot had some good videos too. We'll hold off on putting this piece in. So it's all reassembled. We have our little bit of water. We have all of our parts, except for the one, reconnected. So now we will turn the water back on. Alright, so now putting the water back on. Okay, let's see if we did it. The water back on. Seems to work. All right, we are done. So stop the clock. The last thing is put this little guy back in. And then let's cover the drain just in case. That'd be my luck that I'd put it back and it'd go down the drain. So this just kind of goes, pushes back in. Uh-oh, little drop there, but maybe that's just because it's new. All right, seems to be better than it was. That is the end of our sink repair, faucet repair. I'll put a link to, so Home Depot and Lowe's, they have some good videos. There are 3 main different types of faucets. And so this one was a cartridge. and that's why it was kind of just a standalone thing that needed to be replaced, versus there are ones where there are different parts to replace. So I'll put some links to those too. Morning, Renee. That's it. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. I hope your year ends well and that new year doesn't include a ton of homework here. Have a great day. Bye.